Couponing with Teaser. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's Thursday. We're about to head into Walmart. Can y'all tell by the little parking sign right there? Anyway, I don't know what you guys have. You can comment below and let me know what you got for your weekend warrior bonus. But I got $5 for 18 offers. But we also got a new offer, and I hope you guys got it as well. It's called the Hello Fall. This piece of hair, y'all. Why my hair always be acting up when I get on here? Anyway, the Hello Fall is $10 for 48 offers. Well, I am still pursuing my Lucky Strike bonus for $35 for 121 offers. And I still need 70 offers. Well, I got 70 offers done. I need 51 offers. So I think I might be able to finish both of these bonuses. Not today, but before their deadline dates. I definitely might be able to finish them. Now, the thing with the Hello Fall one, it also has an additional bonus that will be unlocked once you complete it, which is called the Seasonal Surprise Bonus. So yeah, Ibotta try to get us to get these rebates, but they ain't trying to help us out by letting us stack these coupons with it. So come on, Ibotta, stop tripping. But nonetheless, we're going to go in here and get some offers. We definitely have some freebies in here. If you didn't see my shorts video yesterday for that Quaker puffed cereal, definitely see if you still have the rebate. A lot of people don't have it, but it wasn't only applicable at Walmart. It was applicable to a lot of different stores. So if you still have the rebate, just check your stores and see what's available, but don't miss out on that freebie rebate. Got some other freebies in here. Definitely some repeat offenders in here, but you know, guys, we're gonna make it do what it do. So let's head into Walmart and see what deals we can get for our weekend warrior bonus. Okay, the first deal I'm picking up is going to be on this Aleve, this 90 count at $9.97. I'm going to use this lovely $4 coupon that's about to expire. It was in the 9/11 Smart Source, so I'll end up paying $5.97, but I'll get back $3 for it on Ibotta. Gonna leave it at just $2.97. Plus, Aleve is one of the featured brands on Fetch Rewards, so I will get points back from it as well. And remember, you guys, it has the same active ingredients, so don't be fooled by the name. The regular Aleve is the same as the one for the headache pain and for the one for back and muscle. Just don't be fooled. Just because it has a different name, it's still got the same active ingredients. Next, I'm going to pick up the Little Critter vitamins. Now, Ibotta must have fixed it because it was attaching to 2, but now it's only attaching to 1 of the rebates, so it's $5.98. But I'm still going to get this. I'm going to pick up this multivita at $5.98 as well. And let me give you guys a breakdown. Okay, so here are the 2 I'm going to pick up. That's going to bring my total to $11.96. I'm going to redeem it on Ibotta and get back $4. But I'm also going to redeem it on Swag Bucks and get back $4. Then I'm going to redeem it on Brand Club because there was a survey for the multivites for $5. That's going to make it not only free, but $1.04 moneymaker. Yo, we're going to keep stocking up on these summer Eaves. You hear me? We're going to pick these up at $1.72. Get that $1 rebate for it on Ibotta. Going to make it just 72 cents. Now, you don't have to just get this. You can get some of the other items like the intimate wash. Yeah, you can get the intimate wash as well. So, but I'm just going to get this one because it's a better deal. I'm going to pick up this Suave body wash again at $1.88. I have 350 buy kicks available, which is $1.40. So it's going to make this just 44 cents. Plus, I will load my receipt to Fetch Rewards because it is one of the featured brands on there, so I'll get points back on there as well. Pick up this Dove body wash again at $4.97. I'm going to use that $2 insert coupon from the Unilever that came out a week before last. Plus, I have up to 350 buy kicks, which is equivalent to $1.40 again. So that's going to leave my final total for this just $1.47. So I'll take it. Yeah, let me take it. Pick up a bar of this Dove soap, the 3.17 ounce. Now, typically, trial is considered 3 ounces or less. So I'm hoping this coupon that I have, let me get it, for $1.50 off is going to apply to it. That'll leave it at just 24 cents. But I have that 350 buy kicks on Ibotta, on shop kicks. That's going to make this not only $1.16 moneymaker if this coupon works. If this coupon doesn't work, again, that's going to still give me back $1.40. It's going to leave it at just 34 cents. No problem. Next up, we have the St. Ives at $3.97. We have a rebate for it on Ibotta for $1.25 back. That's going to leave us at just $2.72. I'm going to pick up this freebie here, this Natine, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to pick up this one. All of them are attached into the rebate. They're $5.97, but we have a rebate for $5.97 on Ibotta. Makes it completely free. I'm going to pick up this Suave again at $2.48. Get back the $1 for it on Ibotta. Plus, I have up to 350 buy kicks on shop kicks, which is $1.40. So it's going to make this just 8 cents. Definitely going to pick up this Vaseline lotion again. This one at $3.98 and this one at $3.98. I still have a few of those coupons out of the Unilever insert. Plus, we still have the rebates on Ibotta. I have up to 400. Well, there's up to 400 buy and scan kicks, which will be equivalent to $1.60. Plus, I did a survey on Brand Club. So not only are they going to be free, they're going to be money makers, you guys. So let's go ahead and pick these on up. Next, I'm going to pick up this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner at $2.27. I'm going to use this 50-cent coupon, and I forgot which insert I just clipped this out of. I'll make sure I put it in the Google Doc for you guys. But it also has a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta. That's going to leave my total at just $1.02 for this toilet bowl cleaner. And I can use the coupon on this one because it was one of the products that said that did not exclude manufacturer coupons. I'm going to pick up this Coraline at $2.47. It has a $1 rebate for it on Ibotta, going to make it just $1.47 after the rebate. Next up, we have this big Mama Jamma bottle of this Lysol cleaner. It's $3.67. You cannot use any coupons on this one, so yeah, can't use it. But I have a rebate on Ibotta for $1.50. Going to make it just $2.17. And you can get any one of these fragrances. I scanned them all, and they're all attaching to the rebate. Just keep in mind that it has to be the 48-ounce bottle. Looky, guys. Look like we have some markdowns on some of our laundry care items. And if you still have your P&G insert for September, there has some coupons in there. Look at this, y'all. They marked it on. Look, they got them gain sheets. They were not playing around with them gain sheets. Oh, look at the Downy Bees. This one marked down to $9.99. Yeah, this is definitely the time to start looking for some clearance items in your laundry care area. So I went ahead and scanned this one in the app, and it is definitely $3.70. So I'm going to pair it up with this $1 coupon out of the September P&G. Going to pay just $2.70. And I'm going to load my receipt to PG Good every day and get some points from there. I'm going to pick this one up as well. The White Tea and Peony is on sale for $5.96. And this $2 coupon will work on that, making it just $3.96. I'm going to pick these up again. My rebate apps for the other account that has 50-cent coupons on it. So this one is double dipping, so it's going to be $2.47, and this one is also double dipping to make it $2.47. Some of you may have the $2 one on your account for this one or that one, and that'll make them just $1.47 each. But this is what I have on that account, which is great because it's going to take care of 3 rebates. Y'all know I'm picking up my boo again. My Lysol sanitizer for the laundry. I have a $1.50 rebate for it on Ibotta. Plus, I still have my $1.50 rebate for it on the coupons.com app as well. So it's going to make it just $3.97 after those rebates. Here's another deal you guys can do. I'm not going to do it, but you may want to do it. This OxiClean Max Force is $4.42. It has a $1 rebate for it on Ibotta. Plus on Swag Bucks, you can get up to 400 points, which is $4 if you pick up 2 of them. But if you pick up one of them, you'll get $1 back. So it can be as little as $2.42 for one bottle, $2.84 for 2 bottles. So it just depends on what you're trying to do. Or you can also pick up this OxiClean sanitizer at $8.93. It has a $2 rebate that is attaching to on Ibotta, plus it's attaching to that same rebate on Swag Bucks. Again, if you pick up 2, you can get 400 points back, or if you pick up 1, you'll get back 100 points, which is $1. So you can either end up paying $5.93 for one, or $11.86 for 2. Or you can do this. You can pick up one at $8.93. Pick up one of the the OxiClean Max at $4.92. That's going to make your total $13.35. But you'll get back the $2 for this one, the $1 for this one on Ibotta. So that takes care of 2 rebates there. Plus the $400, the 400 Swag Bucks, are the $4 you'll get back from Swag Bucks. Make it $6.35 for both of them. That's a pretty good dang deal. All right, so I showed y'all a pancake and waffle deal in my last haul. I'm gonna show it to you again, but here's another deal. You can pick up this Captain Crunch Berry-tastic pancake mix. It's $2, I think 94 cents, no, 72 cents in my store, but it has a $1 rebate. Or you can pick up the syrup at $3.98. It also has a $1 rebate. That's a lot, y'all. Do y'all see that artificially maple syrup flavor? Yeah, that ain't real. That's just a lot of sugar. You can also look at the Aunt Jemima. The waffle mix is $2.94. It has a 25-cent rebate, and you can pick up this little one as well at $1.26, and it also has a 25-cent rebate on it. But for real, this Crusties, this is the bomb. This brand right here, that's the truth when it comes to pancakes and waffle mix. Next, I'm going to pick up these planter peanuts, these bold and savories. They're $3.28. Well, we got a $2 rebate for them babies. That's going to make them just $1.28. So this is a really good deal to pick up. But keep in mind, it has to be this bold and savory flavor. The rest of the flavors are not attaching to the rebate. Well, here is a different deal for you guys. This Light and Fit, the Okois 000, and the Too Good, and a couple other brands are part of the deal. When you spend $15, they'll give you $10 back. That's a lot of yogurt, you guys. So if you are a real big fan of yogurt, this might be the perfect week to pick that up and use that rebate on Ibotta. Shout out to one of my followers for this next deal. Now, my store doesn't have it. You're specifically looking for the Chobani zero sugar ones. They are double attaching. They have 2 rebates that are attaching to them. So if you can find them in your store, definitely pick them up. I do have the breakdown in the Google Doc for you all, but just look for those particular ones. I've inserted some pictures so you can have an idea of what they look like as well. There's another rebate. I'm not going to get it because I'm not consuming dairy right now, but you can pick up any one of these milk products and get back 10 cents if you have that any milk rebate on your app. Now, I'm not consuming that type of dairy, but I do have a dairy on a regular basis, that is, so the milk wouldn't be good for me. But these little Poppables, look, we're gonna pick these up again. They're marked down to $3.88 on rollback, and they have that $3 rebate attaching to them on Ibotta. Makes them just 88 cents. All right, guys, so here's everything that I'm picking up in this haul right now, because this store doesn't have everything that I wanted to do. So I will not be finishing out my bonus today, but I will put a huge dent in it. All right, guys, so here is my total. Don't forget, I did not finish my rebates. I still have 2 more offers I need to fulfill. So $69.60 without tax, $73.68 with tax. Got $28.47 from Ibotta, a cool 33 cents from Fetch Rewards, 2,200 kicks from Shop Kicks. Y'all, my app was not letting me scan any kicks in the store. I was mad, but I still was able to purchase $8.80 worth of rebates. $4 from Swag Bucks for the Vita Fusion and the little critters. $1.50 from the Coupons.com app for the Lysol sanitizer for the laundry, and $10.19 from Brand Club. Some of my surveys came through from the last time, and then I did the $5 survey for I forgot which one it was for, you guys. Oh, now I remember. It was for the Vita Fusion. So I got $53.29 in rebates, made it $16.31 without tax, and $20.39 with tax. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok as well. Until the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.